Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I am going to show you how to create a weekly planner using a Google Sheets. As a student, I know that we have a problem in time management. So I think in creating this, we can enhance our skill in manage our time. So let's get started. Okay, now we are going to start our tutorial. Okay, so first thing first, you must have a Google account. So if you have one, so you can just click here and just choose your account that you want to use in creating this weekly planner using the sheets. But if you don't have any Google account, so you can just create one and sign in like here. So just insert your email, also your password, and then just start it. Okay. So then you click here. This is a quick button. So you select sheets. And then this will appear in your screen. So next is we must to click blank as we use this in our tutorial. Okay, so for the first step, we must to change the title of these sheets. So we type here weekly planner, and it will automatically save in your drive. So at the bottom here, you can see we have one sheet, but instead of one sheet, we also can add another sheet. So you can click add sheet and it will appear here. Okay, so next, we also can rename the sheet. So just right click and rename. So this we name it as weekly planner. And this sheet, we type here data. These sheets we are going to use when we want to insert the data for our data validation. Okay, so first thing first, we must to create a table. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use the row from B until O. Like this. Okay, so you can merge this cell horizontally, and we want it to be bigger, so you can just drag here like this, or else we also can do like this. Just select this 3 rows and merge all. This also can. So you can choose what you comfortable to use. So for this is a header, so we type here weekly planner. Okay, so we can also change the font. So I want to use lobster, and also we want it to be bigger, so we can just change the size and make it center. So this is alignment part, so you can click here and choose center, and for vertical align, choose middle, so it will place at the middle in this column. Okay, so we also can change the background color, so just change whatever color that you want. So for me, I want it to be brown, and change the font color. So drag the sentence and change it. Okay. So for this row, this gonna be our day. So first, merge all the 2 rows. Each 2 rows, we merge the cell horizontally. Okay, like this. and type here Monday until Sunday. Okay, so next we are going to do the date part. Okay, so for the date we are going to use the data validation, and first you must merge it to column here like this. I already did it, so just click data and choose data validation. And so this for the cell range, you can click here and then drag the column that you want to use, this, until Saturday. Okay, so click OK, and the list the criteria we change it to date, and that's all. So just save, and then double click here, and you can choose the date that you want. So for this time we are going to use this like this. Okay, this will make you easier to change the date every week, so it helps you. Okay, so next we can this column might be too small, so we want it to be bigger, so you can drag the column B until O, and if you do it like this, so it will make the size same for every column like this. Okay, so this will gonna be our text box part, so just make it small like this and do it until Sunday. Okay, next, after we have done this, we want to do the data validation for our list things to do. So here, first, list all the things to do that you want to do every week. Okay, every day in a week. So, like, you just type here list or things to do. Okay, and then just list what you want to do in this part. Okay, so this is the example that I do. So next step is create the data validation. So you can click data again and data validation. And for this cell range, data range here you can use for this sheet. So for me, I want to drag it until 28, row 28, and just drag this until 28. Okay, for this we are going to use in the sheet number 2. So drag, you can drag more, else you can also type. So like this. So okay, and save. So it will appear like this. Okay, so for this you can choose what you want to do in Monday on Monday. So it will make you more easier to type. Other than type, you can just click like that. But if you forgot that you want to add homework for maths, so you can just click back at the data and just add homework. Maths. Okay, so it will appear here. So because of that, we must to check more rows when we select the data range. So for text box, first we must to delete this data range here. Delete data validation and remove. And you must to do it in every column for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday until Sunday, like this. And then how to insert the tick box. So first, click insert, and you will see the tick box here, and just click, and then so just do it to every single day at the other column. Okay, so next we just must to make our weekly planner more colorful and make the border. Okay, so for this time I want to use the color this color. Okay, and then okay, we want to make the border, so just drag all the table, all the cell, and click border, and click here. No. Click, okay, first click all first, and for these three at the top, we can just click all borders like this. But for here, for this part, this is you can use your creativity. So I think for me, I want to make it half. So just drag here until Sunday, and then click borders, and I will choose the bottom border. So like this. So we are done with our weekly planner. So this is how you use it. You can just click, okay, maybe you want to study chemistry for today, and also do the homework, the homework of chemistry. Homework for chemistry. So if you have done your study or homework, you can just click this, like this. So actually it's very easy. So I am very sure that this will help you in save your time and also enhance your skill in time management. So thank you. So okay, so there is a tip, so you can make your own daily schedules. So like this, so you can know when you have a free time to do some work. So you can just do like this, same as this, you same as you do the weekly planner. Use data validation. So good luck if you want to try it, and thank you for watching.